Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe. It all starts here with our raw materials. Purified water, sugar, and our secret formula ingredients arrive daily.
The precise balance of purified water, sugar syrup, and our secret concentrate is crucial. It ensures that check the flow rates, carbonation levels are rising too quickly.
Affirmative. Adjusting ingredient ratio now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, to detail, from start to finish.
Our state-of-the-art facility integrates human expertise with advanced robotics, redefining manufacturing efficiency.